What's up guys, and welcome back to the Rails and Mass. At the time of recording, it's Wednesday, July 1st, 2026 at 7:35 in the PM. And this evening we find ourselves back here at Boston Engine Terminal in Somerville checking out what equipment's outside. We are here a bit later than usual, and that is for a reason. A heat wave has come to the city of Boston. The high temperature today in Boston was 96 degrees. And let's just say I'm not a big fan of these temperatures. As the summer temperatures and the humidity really start to roll in, we're going to start seeing more early morning and late evening videos here on the channel. But we're still going to be out here in full force for the summer. Here's many of the doors here at Boston Engine Terminal are open today, which seems to be a common thing in the summer. Back here as usual we find the laser car. It's not going to be long before we see this thing in service again.
Far North Station, close to the track.
Here this evening we find both gensets 3248 and 3249, both broken as usual.
Form 1115. 1115 answering. Corey, it's fine up. ATP's on. You have permission to leave the building. You, sir. Pleasure doing business. You as well, sir. Yeah, good? Yeah, I walked underneath from the east side. Coming up out of here early on track 5. Yeah, Roger, thank you. I'll walk the wall side and find something. Alright, Roger. You guys on the list? Roger that, we're clear. Roger, thank you. Man, that's one good sick release. Good in the air, independent off and break up. Stop the car. Car now. He's okay, he's clear for 4. One more. Car. Okay. Hey, crew going over at 12 thousand. I see. On a 10. Mark. Go ahead. Level 5 west, CM2. You guys are all really track 5. Yeah, Roger. Is Danny up there with you?
Alright guys, that's going to be it for today's update. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any future updates. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in my next one.
He's a cut man, okay, what?